Well, I've had a little change of plans. Originally I test flew this on 3S, and I decided to fly it on 4S, and I've done test hovers in the house here and it seems to work out fine. These batteries are batteries that I use in my Skywalker and my blunt nose wing. They're 2S 5000 2S batteries, so I run two of them in series, so it's 4S. So I just have a wiring harness, right, that I plug into it, and the speed controls are rated for 4S. The motors say only 3S, but they don't seem to be getting hot, and that's fully loaded with FPV gear and everything, so I think we're gonna be alright. I'm not pushing, it's half throttle. It's hovering no problem, fully loaded at half throttle, so I think I'm good that way. Right now I've got my high-tech Optima 7-channel receiver. I'm still not 100% finished here, but getting pretty close. That's what I'm going to fly with right now, but I may switch over. That's a chain link long range system. It's a 12-channel. I may put that in, and again we've got a 5.8 200 milliwatt video transmitter in it right now, and if I go to that long range receiver for the chain link, I might put 1.3 gig 800 milliwatt video transmitter to give me a better range. We're going to see how this works. I've got my camera mounted up front. It's just stuck down, and I mounted it off to the side, so I can mount some HD cameras beside it. I've got my GoPro. I'm not sure, that's not going to be the first camera on this. Might be my Hobby King wing camera. It works pretty good, and it would easily Velcro on there. It wouldn't add a lot of weight. I've got my Sony Webby. Now this camera is the first camera that I ever used for an FPV. I still use it a lot. It's been through hell. It's been crashed lots of times. Part of the screen is busted out, but it still works. And it also could just Velcro down. It worked just fine there on the front. So, but I think my first flights are going to be with this because it's nice and light, and it does pretty good video. It's no GoPro, but for what it is, it does quite well. So I may just Velcro it down like that, and then run it basically in the configuration that you see it right now. I think the biggest reason I want to go to 4S is because I'm using 4S in my FPV planes, and it keeps my battery count down. So instead of having 4 of every kind of battery that you can come up with or something, I can keep these ones in stock. These are the I don't know what they're called, second line or reject batteries from Hobby King. I don't think they're as good as like Nowtex, or I actually like Zippy batteries, but they were dirt cheap and I'm giving them a try. So anyways, just a look at what's going on here, and hopefully this weekend we'll have some indoor video flying hover tests in a gymnasium. Some of the other guys. I'm not going to be able to fly it too much because this thing's going to blast off a lot of wind, and it might blow some of them little helicopters and stuff right out of the sky. Okay, for now that's it.